Alright guys, here I am at Apple Store Santa Monica Boulevard, and today we're gonna be buying our new iPad Air. They go simple with everything, unlike Samsung and Huawei. They go with foldable phones. Can you imagine those technologies? But they just go with the old stuff. And we're buying the new blue color. So I'll see you when I unbox it. What's up guys? And today it's my first video of unboxing 3 Apple items in one video. Wow, isn't that amazing? So we have the AirTags, the Apple tracking device, the Apple Watch Series 8. This is a Series 6. Just gonna put this here. And the most breathtaking of them all, the iPad Air 5th generation. Now, let's go with, I think we shall go with the Apple Watch first, because I'm excited about the Apple Watch because it has new features that I wanted to tell about. Let's open it like that. And down here it is. Dude, Apple, what do we say? Watches are so exciting to open. I have to tell you that, guys. Here's our watch itself. Beautiful. Oh, the smell of every Apple product is so cute. Anyways, now we're heading on to the band. Ta-da! Satisfying. Okie dokie. Let's open it. Let's take it out. Sorry. Okie dokie. Oh. Apple Watch. You're gonna need your instructions, Apple. Apple, we do not need your instructions. And now, instructions. Whoa, dude. Wait, does this match? No, dude, but this one is like, dude, this Midnight is way more darker than the MacBook Midnight. Like, I never expected it to be like, this dark. Nice. Now let's open it. Oh, take it out. It's already opened. Now we just have to unbox it. Yo, this was such a cool feeling. Oh, dude, I gotta tell you, that smells like a marker there. Definitely smells like a marker. Dude, so awesome, dude. And I'm just gonna put this back and let's head on to the main thing of this watch. Perfect. The moment is here. Dude, this is so beautiful. Here is our instructions. I hate instructions. What happened? And the Apple Watch. Dude, they literally put in the black casing as well, like this. Nice. It's a little bit snug. Wow. But even more wow. Beautiful, guys. Now I'm gonna try to put the bands on and meet your new brother. And I'm rejecting you now because you were adopted. And you're adopted too. Apple is your real biological mother and stuff. So I don't need this anymore. So why was I even taking that out? How could you smell? Put it in. Ta-da! Yo, this is so beautiful, guys. Look, the Apple Watch has, a feature that it can literally detect if you're in a crash. Then, if you're hurt, you can just press, yes, I am hurt, and the medical insurance will come and take you away. But if you do not, it will just automatically just be like, okay, my owner, he's dead, get him. Wow, that's so good, Apple. I appreciate that, Apple. And it also detects your ECG. And if you're going to do swimming, it can literally detect if you're doing backstrokes or any other freestyling or blah, blah, blah. And When you're done with swimming, it automatically detects that you're not swimming now, and you see this little part over here? This part literally, the air or water or dust out of this machine. Wow, Apple has a mind. Anyways, blah blah blah. I'm just gonna put these and let's see the difference. Well, it's obviously the size difference. I think this one has a thinner bezel. I think so. Now, let's go with the AirTag.